Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how effortlessly you can speak 14 languages in just 2 minutes? Well, it's all thanks to the power of AI. Let me show you how it's done. AI technology is taking the world by storm. With just a few clicks, I can translate my voice and synchronize my expressions across a wide range of languages, currently supporting 14 of them. This revolutionary tool is set to open up countless opportunities for creators. The fantastic tool I'm using is called HeyGen, and it's incredibly user-friendly. After signing up, here's how it works. Simply drag and drop the video file you want to translate. Select your desirable target language and hit submit. However, there are a few important things to note. HeyGen currently supports 11 input languages and can translate them into 14 different languages. It's essential to record in a quiet environment as background noise can affect the quality of the translation. Also, it's best suited for solo recording, which might be a bit of a letdown for those wanting to use it with a partner. HeyGen imposes limitations on video duration, ranging from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes, as well as some resolution constraints. Due to high demand, there might be a waitlist for video processing, but if you're in a hurry, you can always upgrade and skip the queue. The service is available for $29 a month, or a discounted rate of $24 per month for an annual subscription. You'll get your video translated after this is done. So here you go, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.